काँग्रेसीचे कार्यकर्ता मायकला तो विजय असो अशें म्हणल्यार ते प्रोटेस्टान
म्हाका दिसता कोण तरी बरें काम करता जाल्यार तेजो विजय आहा म्हणटलेच लोक आनी विजय आहा म्हणतच जाल्यार आमी जिखतले फुडल्या फावटी. तो विजय दुसरो गोवा फॉर्वर्डाचो.
विजय
That is a strategy of a national political party to have an alliance with a regional party. तेंच्यांनी केल्ली आहा.
काल एक हें जालें की दाजी सारकर बीजेपीन जॉइन जालो. There have been speculation that Aldous may not get a ticket there. अशें कितें जालां आनी अशें गोंयांत वाद जाला. So how do you see this? Because he is also from the
See, this answer तुका सारको आमचो नो पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट सदानंद शेट तानावडे दिवंक शकता. सारको क्लियर आन्सर. I cannot comment on that. I am not a part of the party where decision making. That is.
Sir, are you satisfied with that old Goa legal structure?
See, satisfied no. हांवें तो इशू घेतलेलो. कित्याक इशू घेतलेलो? It is dear to everyone. आता थिंगासर अमित पालयेकर बसून इंडेफिनेट स्ट्रायकाचेर बसला, हंगर स्ट्रायकाचेर. It is for a cause. It is to save the heritage. नाजाल्यार अशें जातलें की थिंगा जमीन खूब अशी धावेक खूब जाण ओनर आहा तेजे. कोण तरी आनी कोण येतलो फाल्यां आनी म्हणटलो आय एम रिलेटेड टू दॅट फेलो. आय वॉन्ट टू बिल्ड माय बंगलो टचिंग द रिवर. अशें जायत रावतलें तें. सो आमी कितले पासून बळी पडप म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी हेचेर स्टॉप जावपाक जाय आनी नोबडी शूड गेट एनी टायप ऑफ फ्रीडम टू डू वॉट एवर दे वॉन्ट as far as heritage is concerned, as far as around the religious area which is concerned in the state of Goa. तशें अलाव करूंक पारना.
त्या लोकांचं त्या कमिटी ओल्ड गोवा
जे आमी ऑलरेडी सांगलेलें आहा की तेजेर सारकें म्हणजे पंचायतीन आसूं टावन प्लॅनिंगान आसूं प्रॉपर प्रोसिजर ऑफ लॉ. हांव कित्याक म्हटलां तितूच पासून प्रॉपर प्रोसिजर ऑफ लॉ you have to follow, whether it is inspection, show cause, personal hearing, and then you can issue a demolition order with after following proper procedure of law. Today they have issued stop work order, they have withdrawn NOC. सगळे उरलेलो आतां प्रोसिजर करपाक जाय तो. तूं जो तर परमनंट NOC विथड्रॉ करतलो ताका प्रोसिजर आहा आनी तो प्रोसिजर तूं फॉलो करना जाल्यार तुका कोर्ट स्टे दिता. Court says what? You follow proper procedure of the law. Whatever procedure that person had followed to get that license, you follow that procedure. If the license was for repair, if the reconstruction is done, it is a violation. What was before and what is built today has to be established. That's it.
Save Old Goa Action Committee ने कितना मांगला कि at least the government now should identify the buffer zone. Buffer zone केला जाल्यार हे धांवचे ना अशें धांवचे ना. Would you also tell your government to do this?
Buffer zone identify करपाक जाय खंय रिजनल प्लॅनार.
Correct.
रिजनल प्लॅनाचेर जर तर सगळो टोटल बफर झोन येयलो जाल्यार तितून कळटलें this is the protected area and this is the buffer beyond the protected area. So everybody will come to know whether I can build a house there, whether I can build a cottage there, whether I can build my hotel there. So जे कोण फाल्यां प्लॉट घेवंक येता, nobody can misguide them. They can just open the plan or their lawyer will tell them that this is in the buffer zone you cannot build. This is in the no development zone you cannot build. हे म्हाका दिसता क्लॅरिटी आसपाक जाय.
Would you impress the minister?
आमी 2022 इलेक्शन जावन पयलें तें करपाचें नॉट ओन्ली फॉर ओल्ड गोवा. This should be done all over Goa wherever there are important monuments आसूं, religious places आसूं जे religiously important and heritage importance. हे दोनूय सगळे जाग्यांचेर करपाक जाय. आतां मंगेशी मंगेशी तेकोन जर टॉल बिल्डींग येत जाल्यार कशें जातलें? ते तेका बफर घालूंकूच जाय. दॅट इज अ historically important place. That is a place where all the tourists are going over there to visit. सो अशें कितलेच वस्तू आहा तांबडे सुर्ला आहा जे आमचे मागीर थिंगा केव्स आहा हारवाले सो त्याच्या आजूबाजून काय येवंक पडना तिका तिंगा बाफर घालूकूच जाय.
Since you have brought up this issue, any issue inform because yesterday Panchayat also said any एक TCP in heritage इथून फाईल पास केल्या म्हणून आणि ऑलरेडी फाईल येयल्या म्हणून एक्झिबिशन घालपाक without asking the
See,
Panchayat.
that's what I'm trying to tell.
This, we will find out on this also.
I'm trying to tell you all the same thing. That Town and Country Planning Department, which is the main department which allows constructions to come up, whether it is temporary in nature, whether it is permanent in nature, they are the department who has to say that we want to do the correction in the regional plan, whether you want to do a new regional plan or correction or amendment, तुमकां कितें जाय तें करा. पूण हे सगळे वस्तू जितके गोंयान हिस्टॉरिकली इम्पॉर्टंट आहा आनी हेरिटेज सायट्स आहा आनी रिलिजियसली इम्पॉर्टंट आहा त्या स्वतेंचेर बफर झोन कितें घालूंक जाय, नो डेव्हलपमेंट झोन कितें घालूंक हें घालून उडोवपाक जाय. ते खातीर मिसगायड कोणें जावंक पाडना. कोण तरी म्हणटा एजंट, आय वील हेल्प यू टू बिल्ड दॅट हाऊस, आय वील ब्रिंग यू ऑल द परमिशन्स. तो मागीर तो घेवचोच ना. तो मनीस जो कोण आहा, वेदर इज फ्रॉम दिल्ली और बॉम्बे और बेंगलोर और पुणे, he will see the plan and not buy it.
पण तुमच्या कन्सर्ट
That this cannot be constructed over
कन्सर्ट
there.
ऑफिशियली तो समज तिथून हा जाल्यार मागीर कितें करता
See,
पास करपाक.
if it is there within that no development zone, if your survey number is within no development zone or in the buffer zone, how you can build? You tell me that.
पंचायत कितें म्हणटा टीसीपीन आपण कितें परमिशन धाडून आमी दिलें थंय
See,
जावन.
why there is a loophole in that? Because it is not marked. Why they allowed ground plus one in such a massive structure? Because it was not marked.
पुढे कोणे करपाक जाय आतां?
TCP, no, I'm telling you again and again. You're not understanding.
No, but TCP is at fault.
Congress
That's what I'm
has
trying to
done a
say.
serious allegation on one of the minister and plus CM also. What would you like to say about it?
Only CM can comment on that.
सगळ्यांचे डाऊट
One
See,
of the
I-
BJP minister is
I cannot comment on that. Only CM. He said no. CM knows about it. I think he said like that. I have seen that. CM will comment if CM knows about
पण
it.
अशें कितें जालां जाल्यार
लोक सगळे
कितले?
मिनिस्टरांचे डाऊट घेवपाक लागला नाव घेवन घेवना.
I think Girish should be very specific and tell the name. This is what I feel. Yeah, he should tell.
Sir, there is new variant Omicron which is coming. So as coastal belt area, how do you look at it?
lots of events to be
I think already India has started taking precautions on this, and the international flights which will be coming in. All this time there was no quarantine or home quarantine. That will start.
Do you think it is setback for the Goa's tourism industry?
No, right now tourism industry is doing not very well. Okay, because the tourists from all over India are coming here. International tourists are not coming.
But event like Sunburn, government allows it.
Sunburn is not allowed.
म्हणून इन स्मॉल फॉर्म बा कितें म्हणून अशें येयलां तें कितें अशें आसता स्मॉल फॉर्म सनबर्न आसता तशें.
As local MLA, do you feel that some regulation should come, or you will be taking some regulation?
See, precaution घेवपाकूच जाय. आणि precaution starts from international borders. Now, where this variant is found, they have taken precautionary measures in those countries. So India needs to take precautions, then only states will take precautions.
आमी प्रिकॉशन्स म्हणटा पण एका सायडीन इलेक्शनाक वयता तेन्ना ते मिटिंगे जायत रावतले खंयचे पडटा.
So yesterday,
सो इलेक्शनाक प्रिकॉशन कशें घेतले क्रावड हाडचो न्हू बेश्टो एकल्यान भोंवपाचो.
so yesterday Baba said कि he is confident of winning Tiswadi. So last time he also said कि all Bardeks will be this time with the BJP. So are you still firm with your decision?
I never said anything like that.
So you that last time you said no.
No, you got it wrong.
तुम्ही म्हटलं सगळं आम्ही जिंकू.
I said that we together will win. That is time to say.
तीन अजूनही तुझ्या मती ना
किती दिवस लागतले डिक्लेअर My candidate.
ह्या दिसांनी
See, I don't have a political party,
Ah.
but definitely we will, where we are going to see that our team wins. It's a teamwork.
Team Michael.
Finally, the political party चे candidate असतले, आम्ही असतले.
Sir,
आता आनो आम्ही बीजेपी.
sir, will it be Team Michael? Will it be Team Michael?
It's all people's candidates.
People's candidates, but Team Michael.
Okay.
सर जे गिरीशाचे जे एलिगेशन्स आहा ते जर खरेंच तशें आसा कितें तितून तथ्य आहा जाल्यार हाव सिरियस इट इज इन बीजेपी मार्क वचपाची.
No, whatever allegations he has made, he said he will bring it to the public within 15 days or something like that.
Public
Means in public
domain
domain.
time दिला then to take action.
कोणाकडे दिला त्याने कितें तरी नाका म्हाका खबर.
हाव सिरियस
आता कंप्लेन कोणा केला ते पळोवपाक जाय.
It should be investigated.
सर तुमकां अशें दिसता गिरीशान असेंब्लीन फुडार आरोप केला बी?
No, no. See, he will not take a press conference and do such a allegation. So he must be having some evidence. Whatever evidence he has got, he should give it to CM to take a call on that.
And if there is really something in this, how big setback will it be for your party as far as the election?
See, setback comes when there is an allegation from the opposite side. If there is an allegation from the opposite side, then there is a complaint. Victim. Saying a victim now, but there is an allegation on another angle. Whatever he is saying or whatever there is a recording, that has to be seen by the chief minister. Party will take a decision on that.
असले इशू कितले सिरियसली पळयतात.
See, as far as I am concerned, it is a matter to see whether what Girish is talking has got substance. And if he has really given it to CM and the party will take a decision accordingly.
Okay.
Thank you.